YouTube. Got a little package in the mail. So I guess we're going to do a little unboxing technically. So let's see what we have. Okay. These are hub Centric rings. They're for the wheels because the wheels that I bought, the hubs on those wheels are larger than the actual hubs on my car. So what you do with these is you put them in the wheel and it takes up that space in the wheel, so the hub will just slide right on and it'll center the wheel on the axles. So that eliminates vibration. It's a common problem with aftermarket wheels. The hubs are not exactly the same size as the wheels itself, so you have a little movement in there. Now, they have these in two forms. They got them in plastic. I got the aluminum. And the reason why is because the last set of wheels I bought, I used plastic ones, and they started deteriorating, and then a vibration started in the front wheels, and I narrowed down the issue to these rings. The plastic ones I bought deteriorated, and I found out that a lot of times the plastic ones don't last long, especially if you have big brakes or if you do a lot of driving and there's a lot of heat and they have a lot of heat cycles. They'll last about a year or so, then they'll start to deteriorate and then you build a vibration. This will solve the problem. These aluminum ones are about, the ones I bought here, these are 12 bucks. They can go up to like $20 depending on where you bought them. I bought mine off of Amazon. And that's it. Another video will happen as soon as I get more stuff coming in. Got some new another wheel coming in. So we're waiting on that. But until then, I see you.